This handheld, high-volume, low-pressure sprayer delivers smooth, even coverage that feels much more controlled than a basic brush or roller for furniture and trim work. The interchangeable copper nozzles in several sizes handle everything from thin stains to thicker latex paints while resisting clogs better than plastic tips. Being able to switch between horizontal, vertical, and circular spray patterns makes it versatile enough for fences, cabinets, and detailed projects without constant repositioning. The flow control dial and generous power cord make it easy to fine-tune the paint output while moving comfortably around a room or large surface. Its detachable design, included cleaning tools, and 1,000 milliliter cup make post-project cleanup straightforward instead of a dreaded chore. Extra touches like the rear foam pad and insulated body help protect the motor, keep the spray consistent, and add a bit of safety reassurance during longer sessions.